In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Canva. This quick tip is perfect for beginners and will help you make your designs more professional and interactive, whether you're creating a resume, a flyer, a portfolio, or a presentation. First, open your design and click the text where you want to add the email address. This can be an existing text box or a new one you've just added. Placing the email exactly where you want it now keeps everything neat and prevents formatting fixes later. Next, type your email address exactly as it should appear. Double-check the spelling and make sure there are no spaces before or after it. Accuracy is important because whatever you type here is what your audience will use to contact you. Now, highlight the email text. You can drag across the characters or use a quick text selection shortcut. You'll know it's selected when the text is highlighted and the editing toolbar appears above your canvas. With the text still selected, click the link icon in the top toolbar. If you don't see it there, you can also right-click the selected text and choose the link option from the menu. Both methods open a small link field where you'll paste or type what you want the link to point to. In the link field, type your email address again. Canva recognizes this as an email and will prepare it as a clickable link. Keep it clean and consistent with what you typed in the text so your audience sees and clicks the same address. To finish, press Enter on your keyboard or click Done. Your email is now linked. Depending on your text style, you might see an underline or color change, but even if it looks the same, the link is active. Hovering over the text in the editor often shows a small preview confirming the link is set. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Linked emails are interactive in formats like PDF and in Canva presentations, but they won't be clickable in static image exports such as PNG or JPG. If you need the link to work after download, export as a PDF with links preserved. If you need to edit or remove the link later, simply select the text again, open the link field, and change or clear it. And if you're working with a branded design, consider matching the link style to your brand colors for a polished look. And that's how to hyperlink an email address in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.